the copy command acts as the move command, but now it makes copies of objects. All right, let's start by first clearing our drawing area by removing unnecessary things that we are not using. Now let's use this particular object. So using the copy command, this under the modify tool, click on this icon. You're going to activate the copy command. Now you can select your object, then hit enter, specify a base point. We can have a copy there, a copy there, a copy there, a copy there. And if you want to exit the command, you just hit on escape. So that's how we use the copy command. And of course, the shortcut key to the copy command is CO. So type in CO and hit enter, select your objects. Maybe we can have this object over here. No, we can have this object over here. Then hit enter. Let's specify any point. Yes, we can have that as our base point. We can have that circle there, we can have it there. Hit escape. Let's copy it again. CO, enter. We can have their center point as the base point. Yes, we have another one there, another one there, another one there. Yeah, simply however many copies you want to make of an object, you can achieve that using the copy command.